Well, to me, math is really a tool for understanding the phenomenon that's going on in the world. It's a way to describe everything that's happening.
Mathematics to me is part language, part utility. Language, it can be used to describe problems in the sciences very precisely, and it can also be used as a utility to solve those problems.
As I progressed and I got into higher mathematics, I realized that there was a lot more to math than just plugging in numbers and getting out other numbers.
To me, it's not really about the end product. It's more about this process, the process of problem solving and helping me to gain different skills.
It doesn't have to be a math problem that you have to encounter in order to apply the skills you learn as a math major. It's about breaking things down and handling the problems in smaller pieces.
It's intricate, but there's so many ways that you can approach things when you're dealing with math in the real world.
Students really like math because it's one of the few areas in life where we can find absolute certainty, certainty in the form of a mathematical proof.
And have succeeded and really flourished once they've gotten to college.
A math major is really welcoming, you have a lot of support, and as long as you're willing to put in the effort to learn the material, then anyone can succeed as a math major. Ultimate goal when it really comes to pursuing a math major would be just really developing that understanding, not just of the math and how you do the math, but how that applies to situations and why we really care about what's going on in math.
Mathematics includes a lot of different subfields: algebra, analysis, geometry and topology. It also includes probability and statistics. All of these areas have a pure side and an applied side that you can focus on.
Every professor or instructor, etc., that I've ever had in any of my math classes has always really encouraged student success. They've always seemed to really care about how well students understand the material, not necessarily what grade we're getting, the numbers, but really if we're showing understanding, and then our grades really reflect what we understand. So professors are super awesome. Like I said, they're really supportive. They're always willing to explain the material to you because, they're really interested in it and they want to help you understand it.
I have friends and students who have studied math and later gone into finance, consulting, optimization, artificial intelligence, and of course education at all levels. If you're the kind of person who's always asking, why is that true? How can I find out more about that? What's a better method than the method I'm using? Then a math major might be for you.
Mathematics nowadays is not just about doing it, but also sharing it. And that's why it's a part of the human activity. It's not just a thing, it's the things that we share together.